Good morning. Yeah, it is morning. I woke up feeling a little bit ill today. And it's been a while since I've felt ill. So I've decided that my body is telling me, have a day off. So I'm going to have kind of a day off. I'm going to do some bits and pieces around the truck that I am converting. And I thought that you could join me. The main thing that I wanted to do today, which has been held off for 12 months, is I need to wash the truck. The truck is filthy. I'm doing some laundry as well at the moment. So join me in washing the truck and whatever other bits and pieces that I need to do today. Could be anything, could be nothing, but we're going to have a chill day inside and outside of the truck. I live in Houston, Texas, so you have to capture days that are not blisteringly hot, and that is today. It's 82 outside today, so it's only going to get warmer. So time to do some... I'm just going to put my headphones on, I'm going to wash the truck, and we're going to have a chill day. It's going to be a chill day today, guys. Nothing stressful. The thing I've got to show you is how useful my fairly new little cupboard is. This is kind of my technology cabinet that I have. It is it's just a jewelry wall case, but I use it to keep a lot of my tech stuff in, my cables and such. So what I have in here is I have my Bluetooth headphones, my gaming console, my gaming controller. I'm going to do a whole video on these another day, so I'm not going to tell you exactly what those are. All my adapters and cables and stuff that you need. And this is some extra cables, a USB cable adapter, and these are power cables powering some of my desk setup as well. But basically they all go in this cabinet here, and it hides it away very nicely. So I bought a bunch of cleaning products, including a folding bucket and some cleaning heads. Look at this. Yeah. Okay, we got a bunch of stuff here, guys. Ooh, these brushes? Hey. Squeegees. Blinds, clean blinds, I guess. Alright, I can see outside my window now. I haven't finished washing the truck because it's definitely takes longer than washing a car. And I got distracted with talking to my neighbor. So I'm boiling hot. Go inside to get a bit of air conditioning and figure out some lunch. So that is what I'm going to do. I just pulled in my laundry as well. But there's some like rust stains coming from the air conditioning unit because they did not use stainless steel screws. So the screws are rusting on that, which freaks me out a little bit, but it's also putting stains on the side of the truck. At some point in the next few months, I probably will take the truck in just to get like fully hosed down and cleaned professionally. But for now, it just looks a little bit better. The HUD of the truck was just like filthy. The windshield was filthy. So I just cleaned that, squeegee the side windows and stuff, so they're all super clean. My window is now pretty much super clean, but it's definitely looking a lot better than it was. So, like I said, I need to do some grocery shopping. So I'm going to order my lunch, which I usually do on filming days anyway. So I'm going to get myself a coffee, a smoothie, and I will do a kale Caesar salad. How's that? And a coffee. Coffee, smoothie, salad. Alright, oops. Yeah, so I'll have some lunch, play some video games.
Got into the Harvest Man.
Oh, the Harvest Man. I went to the Harvest Festival.
Really now. They're a hardcore cult. What? Harvest Men won the apocalypse. So what they were trying to do was to create
I'm just going to stand in front of here and ready in action to shoot somebody or grab the ball if it comes near the halfway goal.
You're going to ready in action to do what specifically when what happens.
If somebody throws the ball at it, I'm going to try to catch it or block it.
Okay, you're going to try to catch the ball if they're in. Gotcha, cool.
Yeah, we're flat of them. Somebody's
We play goal. Ref. Fig, that's you.
Okay. So I am currently disguised as a harvestman.
Correct.
Does it seem like what? Like Ryan?
The amount of chaos in the field in front of you makes it seem like a social interaction at this point in time may not have a high